Good morning to you, ladies and gentlemen. This morning, when I got up, a thought came in my mind that I should speak to you about another interesting subject. Most of us know what we really go through on a daily basis. A different kind of situations upsets us. So we are quite many years got used to this concept of getting upset. Different kind of a situation upset us. It could be a weather, or it could be traffic jam, it could be someone not listening to us, and so on and so forth. So right from childhood we got accustomed to getting upset in different situations. And most of the time we are unconscious about we are upset. So that's a kind of a experience that we go through, and then little later we recover. So many years ago I was introduced to this idea to understand what is this mechanism of upset, how it is really happening. Because the moment we come to know what is the process by which these kind of emotions pop up in our mind, it becomes much more easy to control or come out of it, instead of going through the feeling for a pretty long time. So I was educated in this concept of upset by a simple equation. Always it is very easy to understand certain concepts by a simple mathematical equation. So somebody said that upset is equal to what happened multiplied by what we think has happened. Let me repeat once again. Upset is equal to what happened, which means that what in reality has happened, multiplied by what we think has happened. Let us take a simple example to understand this. So when we are sitting in a traffic jam, for example, it is something not we wanted to sit in a traffic jam, but it is a condition that was created because of variety of reasons. So when we are sitting in the traffic jam, we get very upset because the traffic is not moving, somebody coming and jamming the whole traffic, and we can't reach the place we wanted to reach, and we made some commitment within such and such time we will reach there, and so on and so forth. So we are quite upset about that situation, which is totally out of our control. So when you use this equation, what happened is actually we are in a traffic jam. There is a traffic jam. We really don't know why it is there. And the multiplication sign later, what it comes is what we think has happened. So that means our mind starts interpreting that, oh my God, these guys are useless, and then they should have widened the road, and then they should plan the traffic, and the traffic constable should be doing this. So the kind of internal conversation that happens in our mind is interpreting that situation. That means the suffering is not coming from what happened, but it is coming from our interpretation of the situation. But the issue is that we are not conscious of those interpretations that's happening in our mind. Trying to explain the situation and trying to come out of the situation and so on and so forth is what is really causing the result of upset. Now let us repeat the equation once again. Upset is equal to what happened multiplied by what we think has happened. So the what we think has happened is nothing but our interpretation of the situation. Let me give you one more example. So when I was introduced to this concept, every time when I get upset, I was just trying to run this mathematical equation in my mind, that what happened is separated and what I think has happened as a separate item. I used to make an analysis. So let me give you a simple example. So after I learned this technique, few days later, I was just trying to prepare to go to my office while I was working in service. And my wife brought the cup of coffee, and then she tripped and came and just spilled the coffee over my dress, which was about to leave. So immediately my mind was popping up saying that she is irresponsible and she doesn't understand my commitment to my company, and I will have to reach office and I have a meeting with my boss and so on and so forth. You know, the mind starts interpreting the situation. So I caught hold of myself, and a few seconds I was just thinking what happened. What happened is she got stuck somewhere, and then hence she tripped over something, and then hence she spilled over the coffee on my dress. So my interpretation was she is irresponsible, she doesn't know how to give a cup of coffee, and she is conspiring to stop me from going to office on time and so on and so forth, you know. The moment you separate your interpretation and then look at the what is the intention of the person to do this, you will invariably find that the upset is caused not by what has happened, it is more caused by our interpretation of what we think has happened. So by this simple method of training your mind, whenever you get upset, you stop for a while and think, yes, I am upset right now, and then ask this question, what happened? So you isolate the situation, what really has happened. For example, the weather. Many people get upset with the weather. They are happy when the sun shines, when they are unhappy when there is a cloud, and you know, every weather has got its own beauty. Just imagine if the weather is not changing, probably the whole planet cannot have a living organisms. So our interpretation always comes from what we think should happen. You know, when the moment you stop that should happen, then invariably you take charge of yourself and then come out of that upset very fast. So I hope that this method of upset management must have really given you some insights. So thank you very much for listening, and start putting this application into your life and then be happy. God bless you. Take care. Have a nice day and great and wonderful life ahead.